a splendid 19th century château, located in Aquitaine, Gironde, France. It offers 6 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms. This fully renovated 19th century château offers around 700 square meters of living space, within nearly 3 hectares of wooded grounds. The ground floor includes a grand entrance hall, multiple reception rooms, a contemporary open-plan kitchen, a suite with bathroom, and an independent apartment. The first floor provides 3 suites with private bathrooms, 2 further bedrooms, and an additional bathroom. The basement features an office, workshop, wine cellar, and a room opening to the park that requires finishing. Additional amenities include a swimming pool, chalet, carport, ample parking, and an attic with 2.6 meter ceiling height offering further potential. The asking price of this splendid 19th century château is €3,590,000. Thank you for watching.